This is 9 News.
We've heard from a lot of folks lately who have cars dinged up by hail and say the body shops are all backed up. Seems inevitable with each storm.
The time of the repair is longer. That's why we see these backups at the auto body shops.
Carol Walker with the Rocky Mountain Insurance Information Association says there's a reason those repairs take longer. It's because your car is so smart now.
That technology takes longer to repair.
Think about it. Cars have sensors all over nowadays, windshield to the bumper. What used to take a day or two now takes several. And body shops get backed up because more of us are driving those newer cars.
You have a glut of new cars with new technology out in the path of the hail.
You can also blame our newer, smarter vehicles for driving up insurance rates.
All that cool technology that we have in the cars, the sensors in the windshields, in the bumpers. What used to be a couple $100 repair is a couple $1,000 or more repair.
All right, so I got to ask you, Steve Steger, hanging out at the palatial next studio, if it's really difficult to get somebody to fix your hail damage fast, why are there these people bouncing around saying, oh, let me fix it, I'll fix it right now for you?
You know, it's funny. Carol Walker says you should actually beware of those people because she says the reputable hail businesses, they have a ton of work already. And the people who are out asking for your business, if you want to use them, she says make sure you check all their reviews first and make sure that people haven't had bad instances with these folks in the